So the make sure the orange is facing you.
Is it color or is it always the orange?
Grant, you have to follow him.
And do front right. The orange faces you and you do front right. So front right. Yeah, so
there's a couple of kids that don't have the cube solved right now, so does that matter? I mean, should everyone have their, because all these guys don't have it.
It doesn't matter.
It
doesn't matter.
If it doesn't matter, that's fine.
Yeah, Alex, it doesn't matter. So thank you.
Okay, so this is what you should be seeing. The orange face facing you. And do front. This is the front face.
Does everyone have front right?
So front right. I say front right.
Make sure the orange is facing you, okay?
Now which way do you turn?
Front
right.
What
right.
face is this? It looks like the blue. It's actually the back. Like that?
Okay, got that, Eric?
So did everyone?
Could you do your thing?
Okay, so right. So whatever.
So make sure the orange is facing
Yeah.
you. No,
Right.
that's
So
right
if I
up.
say back.
So this is the front face, right? This is what you should be seeing. What you do, since this is the front face, you turn it to the right.
Like that.
See?
That's right.
Keep the orange facing you and do front right.
Oh, start again.
Okay, does everyone have front right?
Yeah.
You guys don't have any questions about
So
front right?
now the orange should still be facing you and do right up. So orange is facing you. This should be the right. So this is
So the orange is facing you, right?
Yeah, I just
Use the right side, which is this.
I know.
So you do right.
Okay, Alex, let him concentrate. Fix your Rubik's
Yeah,
Cube.
that's
It's just that some other people may not know, so I'm telling you.
Okay.
right up.
This is it. Yeah. This is this. Right up. Orange facing you. Right up goes. Orange facing you.
Right up.
We said it. I said right.
We got it.
This is arm. And you do it like this.
Yeah,
No.
Okay,
I know, it's just,
Just for practice.
that's not the way we're doing it, okay? So that's why you need to pay attention. So, orange face is facing you.
No, that's
You
left.
choose the right face, which is this, right? And you need to move it up or down. Up, right up. So you move it up.
Everyone else has what Tommy has.
Can you show me your right?
Sure, absolutely. Yeah, absolutely.
Your right hand.
Yeah, good.
Right? Then left will be your left hand.
It is not required right now. Then we'll fix it. Okay?
It's okay, right?
It's okay. You can use any face. That's not an issue. As long as he understands that what is right and what is wrong.
So can everyone have good eyes?
Alright.
Alex,
Okay, and the orange should still be facing you. And can everyone show me left side?
Okay.
Left eye.
So the orange side is facing you guys, right?
Face.
So this is the left side. You do left, up. Do that.
Good.
Orange facing you.
Then good.
Front, back.
Good.
Yeah. Okay.
Left up. Okay, perfect.
Okay.
Alex,
Don't confuse them.
some people don't know any of this at all.
Guys,
They're using. Don't worry about what you've learned.
Parents, do you want cube?
No.
Sure.
I'm okay.
If any parents wants cube, we got some extra. Okay,
Please, please. Yeah, this is a good time to learn.
so give it to them.
If you learn, you can help your kids.
Right.
okay. So the orange.
I'm thinking it's gonna be the other way.
So guys, reset. So now keep the orange facing you and show me back right. Anyone else want a cube?
Back
So
what?
it would be opposite to what's facing you, and that would be red.
You can keep it.
So that would be back.
We'll give you. He's getting that.
Back right, come on.
That's front. Oh, yeah, that's back. Good.
This is back.
Yep.
But I think the key is always orange facing you.
No, but this is back.
I know, but the way I would do it is never turn the cube, keep orange facing you, then turn like that.
Only turn the cube if you're doing the extra.
Since this is
No, up and down the
It's yellow or
choose the
green.
back side, which is red.
If it's back,
Then you use back right.
You're right. Yeah, so you're right.
Yeah, Alex, you got it.
That's right.
This is what you would
When
see.
you say right, you always turn towards your right.
Okay, guys. Everyone's here, back right. Back
We'll do scrambling a bit.
Back right, this way.
Okay?
I really want to scramble it. And just back left.
Can you show me your back?
And it's easy if you turn it around, you need to actually slice it, right?
Now we're going to move on to the front face.
All the algorithms will tell you we are facing void. So you have to learn to turn like this. If you do this, this is has it up. You have to.
Right, right. Unless you can keep track of
My husband's just gonna pick him up in a little bit.
Yes. But
which is hard enough.
correct. A lot of the algorithms